Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your much needed update on Dogecoin. Because we lost our bullish momentum. All right, the market yesterday. I mean, the most likely scenario, and that's also what I talked about yesterday, was a bullish continuation. If you looked at the market yesterday, then this is purely technically. All right, I never told you to buy Dogecoin or anything, but if you looked at Dogecoin yesterday, the EMAs were slowly moving up still. We were still making higher lows right here. And the structure was leading up to a breakout above 20.5 cents to rally up higher. But what I always told you in the videos is that Dogecoin at this point of time, look, yesterday, in the last couple of days, last week, Dogecoin did have some momentum of its own, right? But what you can see in general, and look at this, I mean, we lost so much momentum. That Dogecoin right now is just bearish. I mean, technically we're not bearish yet because we still have a very strong support level, which is supporting some sort of a consolidation. But it feels like we're bearish. And just in general, what I told you yesterday is that Dogecoin is just very correlated to Bitcoin. So the only way that Dogecoin can break out, or the only way that Dogecoin could break out, is with a bullish breakout from Bitcoin, and Bitcoin started falling yesterday afternoon. So the situation for Dogecoin right now is that I think Bitcoin is relatively bearish right here. We're at least getting some very strong bearish confirmations. So that means that only looking at the correlation, Dogecoin is also bearish. Now, if you look at it, look, we lost the uptrend. All right, the uptrend is no longer here, and we also lost a ton of momentum. Like in a matter of 2 hours, I think we lost about $300 million in open positions. And if there's one thing you need for some sort of a rally, for some sort of a continuous bullish momentum, it's open interest, it's momentum, and we've lost that. All right, so purely technically, we still have this major support level right here around 16.5 cents. We also, so far, we have found support there, but unless Bitcoin recovers very, very soon, which there's a possibility. I don't think it's most likely, but there's a possibility. But unless that happens, the most likely scenario is that, we might bounce around on top of 16.5 cents for a day longer. But then we'll get a bearish breakout and we'll start dropping down to the next major support level around 13 cents. And this looks most likely. Like I said, there's no, after getting the two major bearish breakouts here below 18.5 cents, which was like the last support level for the uptrend, broke below that. And so far, we also broke down below the 200 EMA and have respected that as resistance, which is also technically bearish confirmation. So that has happened before, as you can see, for example, here in March. And the difference then is that we actually recovered above that. And that's also why I'm telling you, if Bitcoin actually can get some sort of a recovery, if Bitcoin actually can get some bullish momentum on Monday, for example, then it's possible that Dogecoin recovers some sort of a consolidation, at least in this area right here. But that's not most likely at this moment. At this moment, we just lost a ton of momentum. We're getting a ton of bearish confirmations. So it's most likely that, like I said, we might bounce around on top of this level for a bit longer, because in the end, it is the weekend. There's not a lot of movement, but a bearish breakout and bearish continuation is most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.